Withdrawing funds from Olymp trade to Binance involves converting your funds to cryptocurrency and transferring them. Here's how you can do it. Log into your Olymp trade account. Visit the Olymp trade website and log in using your email and password. Convert your funds to cryptocurrency. Olymp trade does not directly support withdrawals to Binance. You will need to convert your funds into cryptocurrency first. You can either trade on Olymp trade to profit from market changes and accumulate cryptocurrency, withdraw to an e-wallet that supports crypto, like Skrill or Neteller, then use a cryptocurrency exchange to convert your funds to a desired crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Log into your Binance account. Open your Binance account and navigate to the wallet section. Find the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing and click deposit. Withdraw to Binance. In your Olymp trade account, go to the withdraw funds section and choose a withdrawal method that allows you to transfer funds to your e-wallet or crypto exchange. Enter the deposit address from Binance, ensure it's correct, and submit the withdrawal request. Wait for the transfer to complete. Cryptocurrency withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Once processed, your funds will appear in your Binance account.